Hey gang, Nick with Red Ox Insurance Agency here. Just want to talk to you today about, just want to give you 10 things to consider, 10 ways to keep your trucking insurance premiums as low as possible. Okay, so I'm just going to look at my screen here and just rattle off these 10 things. Number one is maintain a clean driving record. Ensuring your drivers have a good track record with no accidents or traffic violations can positively impact your insurance premium. Safe driving lowers the perceived risk, leading to potentially lower premiums. No brainer there. Clean driving record. That means no moving violations, no at-fault accidents. And then risk management and safety programs is number two. Implement robust safety protocols, training programs, and risk management strategies to reduce accidents and claims. Insurance companies often offer discounts for companies with strong safety measures in place. I don't know about those discounts. Maybe the large trucking companies get those, but your typical owner, operator, 1, 2, 3 power unit risks don't really get a discount for having safety programs in place. Number three, choose higher deductibles. Opting for higher deductibles can lower insurance premiums. However, ensure that your company can comfortably handle the deductible amount in case of a claim. You know, when I first started, I mean, it seems like the standard was everybody having, comp and collision, $1,000 deductible. Same thing with cargo. And it seems like the trend now is going up to the trucker taking on a little bit more risk, and $2,500 seems to be the average deductible for comp, collision, and cargo. So that's one way to think about it. Regular vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance and keeping your fleet in good condition can reduce the likelihood of accidents due to mechanical failures, thus lowering insurance costs. Yes, absolutely. That's number four, regular vehicle maintenance. And I would also suggest doing a 360 walk around before every trip that you make, just to make sure you can't spot anything that you need to address before getting on the road. Number five, use telematics and monitoring systems. Installing telematics and monitoring systems in the truck that track driving behavior, vehicle location, and maintenance schedules can show insurers your commitment to safety, potentially reducing premiums. Most truckers these days have to have an ELD. So that's something that you can do, that you're already doing, but there's other things that you could implement. One thing that I'm a big proponent of is the forward-facing dash cams. That's just to help your driver, you as the driver, if somebody pulls out in front of you and causes the accident, you have video evidence that you were not at fault. Insurance companies are looking at video, police officers are looking at video, and it's exonerating truckers from any claims liability. Instead of it's a he said, she said type of situation with no witnesses, now we got video evidence. So I would strongly consider getting a forward-facing dash cam if you don't already have one. Usually your ELD vendor sells those as well, and you can kind of bundle it together. So that's something for you to think about. Number six, shop around and compare quotes. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Shop around, compare different insurance companies, and negotiate for better rates based on your needs and track record. Well, I can tell you right now that negotiating, that ain't happening. Most insurance companies on the property and casualty, they do not negotiate rates. And as far as the shopping around is concerned, you're better off just shopping for the insurance agent that you feel is going to do a good job for you. And he or she will go to the market and get all those quotes for you and share with you the best options that you have. I do not suggest shopping insurance agents every single year unless you are not satisfied with your current insurance agent, because it can cause, I've done videos in the past about the mess that makes for everybody involved if you start doing that. Number seven, consider bundling policies. Some insurers offer discounts if you bundle multiple insurance policies, such as commercial auto, general liability, workers' comp with them. You know, from a trucker's standpoint, that's really not the case. You're not going to get any bundling discounts for the most part. You can get discounts, like, for example, with Progressive, if you have a personal auto policy with Progressive and a commercial auto policy with Progressive, they'll give you a discount on the personal auto policy, but not the commercial. So there are some, that's true in a sense, but generally it's not. All right, let's see. Number 8, review and update coverage regularly. Regularly reassesses your insurance coverage to ensure you're not paying for more coverage than you need. Adjust coverage based on changes in your operations and your risks. One thing I ask everybody that's a client of mine at renewal is, has anything changed? What are you hauling? What are the updated values of your vehicles, updated driver list, things like that. So yeah, there is an opportunity there. Number 9, hire experienced drivers. Experienced drivers with a good track record. They're generally viewed as lower risk by insurance companies, potentially leading to lower premiums. Well, that's a no-brainer there. Hire experienced drivers. Easier said than done, though. I can tell you, if you find a good driver, pay them well, stick with them so that they don't leave you, because they are a rarity these days, a really good experienced driver with a clean record. And then number 10, demonstrate financial stability. Maintaining good credit scores and demonstrating financial stability can sometimes result in lower insurance premiums. Sometimes. As the owner, your personal credit seems to matter more than your business credit, okay? And then one thing I can say about the financial stability is when it comes to your current insurance policy, if you already have trucking insurance, is making your payments on time, because if you're late and you're consistently late, the insurance company is going to hammer you for that at renewal. They like everything to be paid on time. So if you can do it, set up electronic funds transfer, make sure that payment's made every single time. Sometimes things happen, but for the truckers that are always late every single month, they're in a worse situation when it comes to renewal than the trucker that pays on time. So just think about that. So that is 10 ways to save money on your trucking insurance per ChatGPT. And then it says here, remember, while reducing cost is essential, ensuring adequate coverage for your business is crucial. That is the truth. Before making changes to your insurance policies, consult with an insurance professional or broker to understand the potential impacts on coverage and overall risk management for your trucking business. So those are some tips, 10 tips. Some of them are more doable than others, but they should all be considered. So hopefully you find this helpful. If there's anything in the world I can do for you, visit my website, redoxinsurance.com, REDOX insurance.com. Request a quote. Check out our partners tab. We got links. We can help you with just about anything in the trucking space. So hope to hear from you soon. Hopefully you find this helpful. Share it, like it, subscribe.